ChatGPT can teach you English better than any paid app, but 99% of people use it wrong. I'm going to show you the 5 exact methods that will turn ChatGPT into your personal teacher. Free, 24/7. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact prompts word for word. This isn't theory. This is what I used for 30 days, and my conversation level went from A2 to B1. And I didn't spend a single dollar. This works for any level, from beginner to advanced. Method number 1, and the most powerful, conversation with real-time correction. Copy this exact prompt. I want to practice English conversation. I'm level A2/B1. Please start a casual conversation about daily life. After every response I write, correct my mistakes in this format. Original sentence, mistake, correct version, explanation. Keep it conversational and encouraging. ChatGPT will respond to you in English. You answer as best you can. With mistakes, it doesn't matter. And after each of your messages, it will correct you exactly what was wrong and how to say it right. It's like having a 24/7 teacher who never gets tired, never judges you, and has infinite patience. Do this 10 minutes a day, and in 2 weeks, you'll see the difference. Method number 2, smart translator with context. Don't use ChatGPT like Google Translate. Use this prompt. I need to say this in English for a work email. Your phrase in Spanish or Portuguese, for example. Give me 3 options: formal, neutral, and casual. Also explain when to use each one. For example, you want to say, sorry for the delay. You put that prompt and ChatGPT will give you, I apologize for the delay, formal, sorry for the delay, neutral, my bad for the wait, casual. And it explains that the first is for bosses, the second for colleagues, the third for friends. Now, you're not just learning the translation, you're learning the social context. That's what makes you sound natural, not like a robot. Method number 3, this one is brutal. Real situation roleplay. Use this prompt. Let's do a roleplay. You are a barista at Starbucks in New York. I'm a customer who wants to order. Start the conversation. After we finish, tell me what phrases native speakers would actually use in this situation. ChatGPT becomes the barista. You order your coffee in English, and at the end it tells you, a native would say, can I get, instead of can I have, or would you like, instead of do you want. You can do this with any situation. Job interview, asking for directions, hotel check-in, returning something at a store. You practice the situation before living it in real life. 0 nerves, 0 embarrassment. Method number 4, explain like I'm 5 years old. When you don't understand something about grammar, use this prompt. Explain concept in English as if I were a 5-year-old. Use simple examples from daily life. Example. Explain the difference between present perfect and past simple as if I were a 5-year-old. ChatGPT will tell you, okay, imagine you have a cookie. Past simple, I ate the cookie yesterday. The cookie is gone and I know when. Present perfect, I have eaten the cookie. The cookie is gone, but I don't say when. Or it still matters now. Boom. Understood in 10 seconds. No complicated tables, no technical terms. Simple, clear, direct. And method number 5, personalized exercise generator. Prompt. Create 10 fill-in-the-blank exercises about topic you need. Make them level B1. After I answer, check them and explain each mistake. Example. Create 10 exercises about phrasal verbs with get. ChatGPT generates the exercises. You answer them, and it corrects them one by one, explaining why. It's like having an infinite exercise book that adapts exactly to what you need to practice. You don't spend on workbooks. You don't search 1,000 websites. Everything in one place, personalized for you. Let's recap the 5 methods. 1. Conversation with real-time correction. 2. Translator with social context. 3. Real situation roleplay. 4. Explain like I'm 5 explanations. 5. Personalized exercise generator. And here's the bonus that changes everything. Combine them. Do 5 minutes of conversation, then 5 minutes of roleplay. Finish with 5 exercises. That's 15 minutes a day. In 30 days, you'll notice a real difference. The advantage of ChatGPT isn't that it's perfect. It's that it's available when you have time, not when a teacher can. It's that it doesn't judge you for making mistakes. It's that you can practice the same conversation 1,000 times until it comes out perfect. Look, 6 months ago, I was where you are now, paying for apps, watching videos, feeling frustrated because I wasn't making progress. Until I started using ChatGPT this way, in this structured form, it's not magic, it's tool plus method. And the best part is, it's completely free. All the prompts you saw here are in the video description, ready to copy. Just open them, copy them, paste them into ChatGPT, and start. And if this helped you, hit the like button so YouTube shows it to more people. In the next video, I'm going to teach you the 5 pronunciation mistakes that make ChatGPT not understand you when you use the voice function. See you there.